in this video, we are going to see the comments in CSR. First of all, let's open the Visual Studio. So I'm going to open the Visual Studio 2022. You have already installed this Visual Studio into your system. So first open this Visual Studio 2022. And after opening Visual Studio 2022, your interface will be like this. And you can see in the left side, there is a recent open projects, and in the right side, there is a clone repository option where you can clone the project from the Git on GitHub, and you can open up already existing project solution. Also, you can open up folder. Now we are going to create the new project. So just click on the create new project option. So after clicking here, you can see the different types of projects options are over there, and you can choose the console applications or any other applications. But in this video, we are gonna make the console application, so we must have to choose the console app with the C# as the programming language. So click on the first option, or you can simply search the console into the search bar. And after searching the console, just I have to back it because already I have clicked on the next option. So if I click on the console option, you can see the console app in the first option. There is a Linux, Mac, and Windows and other cross-platform options. So click on the console app option, and you can give the project name here. I'm gonna give the possible text here, and also you can change the location. This is the default location, and you can change the location if you want. Otherwise, you can leave the default, and you can put the solution name and the project name in the same directory. Inside the solution name, you can add the other projects, multiple projects into one solution. So if I click here, I can put the multiple projects into one solution. So I have already clicked here and click on the next option. After clicking on the next option, you can choose the framework from here. I have already chosen this .NET 6 framework, which installed during the installation of the Visual Studio. So just leave the default and click on the create option. And I have already solution name is existing, so I have to click on the next option. This pop-up option will not show into your screen. So after clicking on the create option, it will take some time to open Visual Studio 2022 into your screen. Now our Visual Studio 2022 is open into the screen. So if you already work on the Visual in the .NET 5 or previous version, then you may see the different interface. So in this video, you can see the different screen if you are working on the previous version of the .NET. So you can see the console.writeLine and hello world option. So if you want to print the hello world into the console applications into the console, just click on the possible text. This is the run option, and just click on this. Click here. Now we can see hello world is printed into the console. So in this way, you can print hello world into your console applications into the console. So now I'm going to discuss about the comment in the C#. So you can see first line, there is a 2/. If I remove this 2/, then what will happen here? Your error will show into here. And if I hover the mouse into this error option, then namespace C could not found is showing here. So it means that this is the C is not found in C# compiler. So just put the // here, and in this way you can put the comment, single line comment. I put single line comment in this way, then it won't affect my coding. So it just print only hello world. It doesn't print the single line comment. If you click on the possible text option, then it will only show the hello world option. And if I want to put the multiple line comment, then multiple line comment, then just type the / asterisk and just type whatever you want, multiple line comment, and just put the asterisk before the /. And if I execute this code again, then it won't affect anything into my code because we are putting the comment here. And why we need a comment? So we need a comment for the proper documentation. If I have write some code into this period of time, and if anyone will see my code after 10 years, then he or she must understand that what I have written this code in this time. So to understand the code or to write some proper documentation or whatever you can call, but we need a comment in every programming language. And in this way, this is the syntax of single line comment and multiple line comment in C#. If you have any confusion regarding this video, you can put and you can ask me question in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.